Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Ashley and welcome to my channel Bremen Home. If you're new here, I have a vintage booth in upstate New York called Bremen Home. We sell vintage goods, antique goods, some new goods, and yeah, it ranges from furniture, home decor, rugs, lamps, pretty much everything home related. And then we also have small sections of clothes as well in my booth. So if you're new to the channel, I take you to estate sales, thrifting, I do shop refreshes. So if that's something that entices you or you want to follow along, feel free to subscribe to the channel and join me on this journey. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag / cleaning my bag. This is my business bag, my business tote, I should say, that I take with me to the shop when I'm going there to price things, move things around. It's pretty much everything that I need is in this bag. But I also have neglected this bag really badly. So we are going to go through it, organize it. I've noticed throughout the year of using this bag that it's just a little bit too small. So I'm going to use one of my bigger totes, but this is a vintage bag, so I don't really want to use and abuse this. So I'm going to use it for a little bit, and then I'm going to find the perfect bag for the business tote. I saw a couple weekender bags. I'll show you right up here that I found on Amazon. So I'm thinking maybe I'll get a weekender bag and that will fit everything that I need perfectly. It's probably going to be super embarrassing, but what a great way to start the new year with an organized bag. So in this little bag, I have like my microphone set up and all of that. So I'll put that aside. That's neat and organized. A pitcher that needs to go into the shop. Let's see, hammer, very essential. A light for my phone, so when I'm taking pictures for Instagram or Facebook or whatever to advertise, it lights up the inventory really well. Furniture sliders, like a definite must. You need furniture sliders if you're in this business or even at home. I've used these furniture sliders like crazy. Let's see. Yeah, see, this is my problem. I'm usually in a rush and I just shove crap in the bag at the end of the night when I'm there, and then I never go back and organize it. So let's see. And also what I've noticed is because I'm usually on a time crunch when I get there, that my bags aren't labeled. I used to have like these organized bag of garbage, tags, sale tags, whatever, and it's just not organized, so I have just shoved things in bags. So maybe I should label the bags. That might be the move. Let's see. Sale tags, wire to hang pictures, more sale tags. Guys, this is so embarrassing. Let's see, tags that I changed the pricing on. So garbage, really. Garbage. Power strip, very important. Probably didn't even know I had that. Let's see, oh, 30 rags. It's nice to have rags. Maybe I'll throw those in the wash today. All right. I have tags in like 5 different bags. Why did I do this to myself? Oh, scissors, that's essential. Tag gun. Probably need those. Pens, baby wipes. If you're a mom, you know. Business cards. Oh, water. Oh, a granola bar. It's like completely flat. Light bulb. I'm assuming it's an old light bulb. Another granola bar. Not Ian. Oh my god, sale tags. I've been looking for all these sale tags. Now I have them, of course. Tape. Air freshener. Let's see. My daughter's makeup little topper. What is going on here, guys? All right. Garbage, garbage. Garbage. What is this? Feed and wax orange oil. I will say this stuff is the best. I use it on all my furniture, especially like antique furniture. It really just conditions the wood really nicely and just kind of brings it back to life. I've even noticed that like scratches, water stains are like way less noticeable when you use this. What's the brand? It's the brand Howard, and I use Feed and Wax. So, if you wanted to know. Oh my gosh, more sale tags. This is crazy. All right, pens. Here we go. All right. Oh, here's the... Interesting. All right. Okay, so I think we have everything out of this bag that needs to be out of the bag. All right, so let's put everything in an organized manner into this bag. I really want to get organized for the new year. Do I want to use these bags again? Because these bags seem to be the issue for me. I was just stuffing everything in these bags. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to reuse these storage bags that I have for now. I think what would be nice is to have almost like toiletry size bags that can be used. I think that would be better. But for now, let's use these. I'm going to label them so I stay more organized. So I'm going to use this one as my sale tag bag. Let's see what we got in here. So every year I try to do a pretty big remodel to the space. So like a paint job, all of that. Last year we did floors and paint. Obviously we're not going to change the floors. The floors are great. What I do want to change is the transition into the shop. We put duct tape that transitions from the aisle rug to our vinyl floors in our space. And I feel like I'm just not loving that. I'd like to do like the proper transition. I feel like it would really elevate the space. I think we're gonna go light and bright again. Last year we went a little darker, which I loved, but you definitely get a little sick of it, and your pictures online they just look a little darker. There's just something about a high contrast of the lighter walls and wood and whatever the furniture piece is. It just stands out more. And yeah, I think it'll be a nice change. Daddy's batteries? Those are screws, actually. Yeah. I think we used it for a furniture piece. Yeah. This is Brielle, my oldest daughter. Yeah. Do you have peanut butter on your face? Is that Lucky? These are sale tags. So if I want to put a piece of furniture on sale, I use these.
This is not mine. It's yours.
No, that's actually yours. I found it in my bag. Isn't that silly? How'd it get in there?
Mine?
Yeah. We have to find your makeup. Do you think it's in maybe your little beauty salon kit?
Yeah.
Probably.
Is it not yours anymore?
No, it's yours, baby. It was in my bag, though. I don't know how it got in there. But we found it.
I didn't know it was coming.
Yeah. We need to get you a wipey.
Yeah, we got you one.
All right. Let's get you one. A fruit lather. I found that in Mommy's little tote, too.
Yeah. How did you get that for
I don't know. We won't eat them, though. We don't know how old they are.
How did this get in there?
I must have put it in there. I must have been hungry one day, and I threw it in my bag.
Yeah, why did you put that?
I don't know.
You put snackies in there.
I can't put snackies in my bag. No. So yes, we are going lighter and brighter for the new year, which I'm very excited about. And before we paint into the new year, I'm going to do a huge sale. It's really convenient, especially with the size of our space. It's nice to try to have a big sale to clear everything out and just have like a fresh start. So we are doing the biggest sale that we've ever done. We're doing 50% off, and I'm almost going to set it up so that it's less like curated looking and more like, not like garage sale, but basically just very organized and right in your face and matter of fact, not so much styled. So I'll take you guys along for that. But I think it's really going to help to push some sales out the door and also give us some space. We need some space to work to paint the walls and bring in some new inventory and all that.
Open it.
We don't need to open it because we don't need to put a screw in anything, right? You want Mommy to get you a wipey? I have tape in case I need it in my bag. Sometimes I need a snacky when I'm at the shop, right?
When you're hungry.
Okay, let's see. So my sale tag gun. Put that in here. Perfect. I have all my tags in here, and I like to keep a little baggie in here as well, so that if I like pre-make tags before I go, but I don't tag the actual inventory, I can keep it separate. So, Brayman Home tags. Perfect. All right, we're already looking better. We're in better shape so far. We have our hammer. Nails, very important to have in the bag. My stamp, this is for my sale tags, my inventory tags. I stamp one side with Brayman Home, and then the other side has like my SKU, my vendor number, item description, things like that. So I stamp my tags myself. All right, that's good to go. Air freshener, that is good. Let's see here, what do we have? I think this is my garbage bag. Let's see. It would appear that way. All right, a roll of tape. We'll put that. Light. Business cards. We'll give business cards its own bag. Business cards. Yeah, so I'm going to take you guys along with me tomorrow, and we are going to pretty much break down the shop and do a huge sale for the customers. And I'm probably going to have that sale go on for the rest of the new year so that we can clear out as much inventory as possible, and then I can purchase new inventory and just have like a big change for the people into the new year. So I'm really excited about that. I'm excited to be light and bright again. I think it's really going to make a difference. And where our space is, it's kind of like in a corner, so it's already a little bit darker. It was moody and I loved it, but I think every year you just need to keep changing it up and give the people something exciting to look forward to. Power strip, that's a good thing to have. I'll put that back in there. Furniture sliders, scissors. Let's see. This wire I got right at Lowe's, and actually it's very convenient if you have a picture with like 2 D-rings on the back. You just tie the wire there, and that way you only have to put 1 nail in your wall instead of 2 nails, because throughout the year I put a ton of holes in the wall, which that is something that we have to look forward to as well when you're painting the whole space. I like to go through, spackle everything, and just have a really clean, fresh start. So that'll take some time. Like a little notepad of some sort to take with me in the bag. That way if I have like an idea while I'm rearranging, or if there's something that I need to do when I get home, you kind of can just like jot it down quick in your notebook and make that happen. All right, so going into the business bag is my tagger, important. And again, I think labeling the bags is going to make a huge difference. Like I said, I definitely want to look into a weekender bag. Travel toiletry bags might be perfect for all of these. But for now, they're labeled. We're more organized. We're going into the shop feeling better. We have our sale tag bag. Our Brayman Home tags. We have miscellaneous objects such as our marker, scissors, tape, notepad, my stamps to make more tags. nails, power strip, hammer, business cards, perfect, a garbage bag, super important. There's many times I'm like throwing out tags and clearly I just throw it in the bag, so having a little garbage will be nice. Microphone right here, furniture sliders, our light, our portable light, air freshener, and then I will put my tripod in here as well. And I think we're good to go. I feel good about this. It's clean, it's ready to go. It's perfect for me going in there tomorrow because we have some major rearranging to do. I want this sale to be super successful so that we can really get some new inventory in there and get everyone excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, getting organized and ready for the new year. I'm excited to do this big sale, so make sure you tune back in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Your support means so much to me. I'm a newer channel, so I really want to take you guys along with me for the journey. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's video where we are doing our huge sale. I am going to organize everything and get everything off the wall and just get ready for a huge clear out event. So come back, check it out, and I'll see you then. Bye.